Next, we talk about using chemicals. Various chemicals are often used for household duty, such as detergents, solvents, and bleach. These kinds of products can be dangerous and cause burns, fires, and poisonings if not handled safely. I will show you some of the common hazards and the safety measures related to household chemicals. You come into contact with household chemicals every day. The hazards may often be overlooked. Here are some related accident news in which all cases are caused by mixing different chemicals. The victims suffer from serious injury or even death. First, you should pay attention to the hazards and the safety measures before using any chemicals. Different chemicals have different properties. Please read the label on the container carefully. The label should show you on the left side a symbol indicating the hazard classification. Then on the right side, the label contains information about the name of the chemical, particular risk, and safety precautions. But you may say, we seldom see this label on household cleaning container. Then what should I do? In this case, you should read the instruction of use on the container. For example, a cleaning agent states that it is corrosive, avoid contact with skin and clothing, and never mix it with bleach or other cleaning products. You should read it before you use the chemicals and follow the instruction. I also read the information on the container of a bleach. Bleach is a strong and effective disinfectant. Improper use of bleach may reduce its effectiveness, as it can also make harm to you. As shown on the container, you should put on appropriate personal protective equipment when using it, as it may irritate your eyes and skin. Bleach should be used in a well-ventilated area and do not use with hot water, as hot water decomposes the active ingredients of bleach and make it ineffective. Once again, like cleaning agents, it states that you should not use bleach together with other household detergents, as it may cause dangerous chemical reaction and harmful gas could be produced. This can result in serious accidents. The last example I want to show you is an insecticide. It contains a symbol indicating that it is flammable. It means it will catch fire easily. So you should not spray it near heat source or any operating electrical appliance, as it may cause fire. What we have learned so far? First, you should always follow the instruction when using chemicals. And one of the most important rules is that you should not mix cleaning products with one another. Please remember. Besides, chemical may burn or irritate your skin or eyes. To protect yourself, you should avoid direct contact with them by wearing suitable personal protective equipment, such as gloves and face masks, which depends on the work nature. To ensure the greatest possible protection for you, you should also wear goggles and apron when necessary. Most of the chemicals are poisonous if swallowed. You should not eat or drink when handling chemicals. On the other hand, you should not store chemicals into food or drink containers, because it is easy for someone else to get confused about what's in the container. You should keep the cleaning products in their original packaging. Chemicals should be used in areas with adequate supply of fresh air and be well ventilated with a fan or an open window. Wash your hands and arms with soap for 20 seconds immediately after work. When storing chemicals, you should ensure they are stored in shade, cool, dry, and well-ventilated place and in a safe place where children cannot reach them. In case of emergency, such as chemical poisoning, fire, or contacting with chemicals of your body, please inform your employer and seek medical assistance if required. Now, please watch the following video about using chemicals.
Schäning, wenn sie Bamende, dieses erst.
Jelly Jim Bart, Barking Jim Barty.
Please remember, don't mix chemicals.